Hello, folks. Well, as you know, it's a very frustrating time for all of us these days, and many of us are making our own face masks, so others may have the manufactured ones. So, to protect ourselves and others, since this might save my life or yours, I'm showing you how I made mine in less than 60 seconds. It's not perfect, but it'll help prevent spitting or coughing on somebody else. So there's my face mask. May not work for everybody. But it works for me. People are saying the face masks also keep people from touching their face because what they touch on their hands, they touch to their nose and mouth, and this prevents you from touching your face. And makes great for snow blowing too when you're out in the cold. Also, you can wear it like this under the ear, which is nice and comfortable, or over the ears for when it's cold outside. So it has dual purposes. Protects you against frostbite. And when it's time to clean it, you can either wash it or spray it with Lysol. And I forgot to mention, you get a nice muscle shirt for summer. So stay healthy, everybody. God bless you.